Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by generative AI. Today is September 21st, 2024, and we're diving into some intriguing stories surrounding Tesla, its CEO Elon Musk, and the broader electric vehicle landscape. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Tesla is facing a wave of backlash in Hollywood as it gears up for the grand unveiling of its new self-driving robotaxi, the Cybercab, at Warner Bros. Studio on October 10th. This innovative vehicle, designed to operate without traditional controls, will rely solely on a Tesla app for hailing. However, despite the excitement surrounding this reveal, the entertainment industry seems to be turning its back on Tesla. Reports suggest that some individuals are even going as far as destroying their leases and walking away from their contracts. The decline in Tesla's popularity is largely attributed to Elon Musk's controversial political stances, which have alienated many potential customers, especially among Democrats. Recent surveys paint a stark picture, showing a drastic drop in interest in Tesla vehicles. Nearly half of potential buyers are now unwilling to consider a Tesla, with a significant portion stating they definitely will not. This shift in consumer sentiment is particularly evident in California, where Tesla sales have plummeted by nearly 25% this quarter. While Tesla's market share appears to be shrinking, the overall electric vehicle market continues to thrive. Competitors like Audi, BMW, and newcomers such as Rivian are gaining traction, capitalizing on the growing demand for electric vehicles. The relationship between Musk and Warner Bros. CEO David Zaslav is also under scrutiny, given Musk's recent political affiliations and controversies. Despite these challenges, there are still pockets of interest in Tesla. For instance, a Tesla-themed diner is under construction in Los Angeles, signaling that the brand still holds some allure. However, the long-term impact of Musk's actions on Tesla's reputation in Hollywood could be significant, potentially leading to a broader rejection of the brand if current trends persist. In a rather unusual twist, Chechen leader Ramzan Kadyrov has accused Elon Musk of remotely disabling his Tesla Cybertruck, which he claims was a gift from the billionaire. Kadyrov, known for his close ties to Russian President Vladimir Putin, expressed his frustration on social media, questioning Musk's actions and labeling them as not manly. He stated that the vehicle, which he had previously showcased with a machine gun turret, had performed well on the battlefield, but was now inoperable and had to be towed from the front lines. Kadyrov had intended to send the Cybertruck to Ukraine for use by Russian troops. Musk, however, has denied ever gifting the vehicle to Kadyrov, despite the Chechen leader's claims. Kadyrov's social media post included a plea to Musk, asking, "How could you do that, Elon?" This incident underscores the ongoing tensions and bizarre interactions between high-profile figures in the tech industry and controversial political leaders. Kadyrov's government has faced numerous allegations of human rights abuses, further complicating the narrative surrounding this unusual dispute. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these stories as fascinating as we did. Remember, you can find links to all the stories in the episode notes. Join us next time as we continue to explore the ever-evolving world of Tesla and the electric vehicle industry. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.